In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablet on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. VEIKK 640 Drawing Tablet. The VEIKK 640 Drawing Tablet is a portable and compact 6x4-inch device with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. It features a battery-free stylus with plus or minus 60 degrees tilt support for a natural drawing experience. The tablet includes 6 customizable shortcut keys for improved efficiency and is compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android. It is suitable for various applications such as drawing, painting, design, sketching, and OSU. Gaming. The package includes the pen tablet, passive pen, pen case, extra pen nibs, OTG connectors, art glove, pen nib clip, and quick start guide. VEIKK offers a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support for all its drawing pen tablets. The product is available at varying price points and is part of a series of graphic tablets offered by VEIKK, each catering to different needs and budgets. Number 2. GAOMON PD2200 Drawing Tablet. The GAOMON PD2200 is a 21.5-inch graphics drawing tablet with a screen designed for drawing, painting, and writing. It features 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a passive pen with a high report rate for precise control and fluidity. The full laminated IPS HD screen reduces parallax, providing more accurate lines, while an anti-glare protective film is already applied. With a 178 degrees view angle, plus or minus 60 degrees pen tilt function, and 8 shortcut touch keys customizable for various software, this tablet offers a versatile and intuitive user experience. The device boasts a 92% NTSC color gamut on its 1920x1080 Full HD IPS display, ensuring a broad and rich color range. The package includes the tablet, passive pen, adjustable stand, power and connectivity cables, and more. GAOMON Technology Corporation, known for its animation products and digitizer technology, offers a year of warranty for the PD2200. This tablet is compatible with Windows and Mac OS systems and supports popular drawing software. Additional accessories and products, such as styluses, hubs, screen protectors, and stands, are also available to enhance the drawing experience. Number 3. GAOMON PD1561 Tablet. The GAOMON PD1561 is a sophisticated and versatile pen tablet monitor designed to enhance your digital drawing and painting experience. With a 178 degrees viewing angle and 1920x1080 resolution, it offers comfort and clarity while allowing you to explore different creative angles. The vivid color rendering of 72% NTSC color gamut and 262K display colors showcases your artwork with precision and vibrancy. Advanced features such as anti-glare technology, 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, and a 266 pps report rate ensure an authentic and responsive drawing experience. The device also comes with an adjustable stand, 10 shortcut keys, and compatibility with both macOS and Windows systems. Additionally, the package includes essential accessories like a digital pen, cables, and a quick start guide, making it a comprehensive tool for artists and designers seeking to unleash their creativity. Number 4. XPPen Artist Pro 16. The Artist Pro 16, Gen 2, is a cutting-edge drawing display that boasts a range of impressive features to enhance your creative workflow. Equipped with the X3 Pro Smart Chip Stylus offering 16K pressure levels, a 16-inch expansive display with 2560x1600 resolution, a 99% sRGB color gamut for high color accuracy, this device provides a vivid and detailed canvas for your artistic endeavors. The fully laminated screen eliminates parallax errors, while the low blue light emission makes it easier on the eyes during long work sessions. It also includes a variety of accessories such as a wireless shortcut remote and wrist rest for enhanced comfort and productivity. With compatibility across various operating systems and popular art software, the Artist Pro 16, Gen 2, offers a versatile and seamless drawing experience tailored to professional artists and hobbyists alike. Number 5. XPPen Artist Pro 14. The XPPen Artist Pro 14 is a pen tablet monitor with a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a screen size of 13.3 inches. It offers a resolution ratio of 50/80 LPI and features a stylus with 16,384 pressure levels and an initial activation force of 3G. The device supports a tilt of up to 60 degrees and has a viewing angle of 178 degrees with full lamination. It boasts a contrast ratio of 800:1, a brightness of 250 candelas per square meter, and a color gamut coverage ratio of 99% sRGB and 85% Adobe RGB. The tablet has a reading height of 10 mm, a response rate of 25 milliseconds, and a report rate of 200 RPS. It is compatible with various operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, Android, Chrome OS, and Linux. The XPPen Artist Pro 14 comes with a warranty of 1 year and is designed for digital art creation on a graphics tablet.